Good morning. So today is the last day of the WebQuest activities. We will be moving on to more related activities for the rest of the week. Your parts today are going to be Task 7, Climate Change It's Real, Task 8, Climate Change Game, which I'm going to show you how to play and play it the 3 times required because overall you may not have access to the game. And then also, no internet required summary tasks. This is when you're going to explain how an increase in greenhouse gases can lead to global warming and global climate change. Be specific by including at least 2 details and an explanation of those details. Let's start with the video. So you're going to be looking for how we can cut global carbon emissions by 1/3. What is special about the new public building in Mexico City? What is special about Paris' street tiles, and how much carbon would be reduced if people drove just 10 miles less every week? This is a National Geographic video that you will have access to.
Climate change. It's real. It's serious. And it's up to us to solve it. In the last 2 decades, we've experienced 14 of the hottest 15 years on record. By 2050, drought and chronic water shortages could impact 1 billion people, while millions more will be at risk from coastal flooding. It can seem overwhelming, but there's reason for hope. If we embrace solar and wind power to their full potential, we can cut the world's yearly carbon emissions by 1/3. Already, Germany generates 27% of its electricity from renewables, with a goal of 80% by 2050. Denmark has shown it can produce more wind energy than it can use, and England is building the world's biggest offshore wind farm. Communities large and small are taking steps. A new public building in Mexico City has an exterior that breaks down air pollutants, erasing the effects of 1,000 cars each day. Paris installed street tiles that harvest energy from foot traffic. Other cities are paving streets with smog-eating concrete and sidewalks with recycled materials. Individuals can make a difference too, through the choices we make every day. If every American driver drove 10 miles less each week, it could eliminate more than 100 billion pounds of carbon from the air each year. New innovations are making important strides possible, and more are on the way, but we can't wait. Reimagining our world's energy future will take a shared sense of urgency from countries, companies, cities, and all of us. Working together, real change is possible. Learn more at natgeo.com/climate.
So this video discussed a lot about how to reduce the carbon emissions, such as using more renewable energy sources that are clean, such as solar energy and wind-powered energy. It also discussed some new technologies, such as the street tiles that generate energy and harvest energy from people walking on them, or the building exterior that broke down carbon dioxide emissions from cars and other resources. Individuals are able to reduce their carbon footprint by doing a little less in terms of using their cars and walking or taking public transit a lot more. There are many different ways. Just keep in mind that people and different cities and countries have to work together, seeing as the planet is able to shift pollution from one city to another through wind patterns and weather. It has to be a global effort, which we can discuss more of. The next part is going to be at the climate change game. Some of you may not have access because it requires Adobe Flash Player. I will play the game 3 times that it's being asked. However, if you do have the Adobe Flash Player and you did view my video on how to start it, I will go over that again if I'm able to. Then please try to do it on your own. This game is a game where you're going to earn money, and that money can be used to upgrade different things, such as the factories can be upgraded to clean power instead of coal. You're able to, that's $1,000. It's $100 to replant new trees. It's $133 to upgrade the cars, and always you're trying to stop the little carbon dioxide from escaping into the atmosphere. every time that carbon dioxide escapes into the atmosphere, the thermometer goes up, and when the temperature reaches the top, the game is over. This is going to be done 3 times, and you're trying to keep this balance. So I'm not necessarily great at this game, but I will play it the 3 times. Turn this on. So don't let the carbon dioxide escape, upgrade the utilities, plant trees to clear off the screen from CO2. It will be absorbed over time and cleared from the screen. Upgrading things will earn you more points. Tap the power plants to upgrade the utilities to release less carbon dioxide. Tap the forest plants and trees to absorb more carbon dioxide. Tap the vehicles to upgrade and release less CO2. Money for upgrades increases over time. You have to drag this bar across to stop the CO2 from escaping. You can also hit the down arrow and the A button for left and the D button for right. It's up to you how you prefer to do that. This meter will show you how much CO2 is escaping by the temperature. Don't let it get too high. Balance the emissions and absorption to win. Okay. Stop that. Car. Stop. That fast at this. So there goes my temperature meter. Nope. 2 degrees shot here. It's stopping the CO2 from escaping. Good job today. Upgrade. And 500, not bad. Alright, so as you saw, I tried to upgrade my factories. I have to let the money increase. I have to stop the CO2 from escaping, which I was not doing the greatest job at doing. You also need to upgrade your cars every once in a while, which is something that's usually required by law to have better cars as you buy new ones. And also plant more trees, which I was kind of failing to do every once in a while. So let's try that again. My first score was 500. Car. Oh, I don't have enough money. Stop the CO2. Trees. Builds up a little bit more so that I can upgrade my factory. Oh, no! Not doing a great job today. I only got 400 and I didn't get to upgrade a factory, so I'm gonna try that again. Maybe I'll do best out of 5 if I have time. So this is try number 3. So I have 400 and I have 500 before that. good. And gonna be able to upgrade a factory now. I lost one now. Alright, so let the money builds up a little bit more. So I can upgrade another factory. Lost one. That's what happens when you don't pay attention. So not enough money. Replace. Job at stopping these from escaping. Mostly because they're moving so fast now. That's another thing about the game. 300 only this time, so that was 3 times. Maybe I can play one more time before the video runs out. I only was going down in score, so maybe I can bounce back up. Some money back for a new factory. I'll replace the third one. Better this time, I think. I think the video is going to run out, but you get the idea. Done. Replaced all the factories. Alright, this video is going to run out.